Hello guys, and welcome back to my annual fall decorating video. I think this is going to be such a good video because I have so many cool ideas that I'm going to incorporate into this video. I want to get right into the decorating and kind of just really get into that fall vibe. I honestly haven't been doing a lot of decorating this year yet because I was waiting for my fall bed sheets to come and they still never came. So I'm just going to do it without them. I think it's still going to look really pretty, very fall-y, and I think we could still make it work. As a lot of you probably know by now, I am moving to Florida during the end of October, so I do have all of September and some of October to be able to really embrace this fall decor, and I will also be bringing some of it to Florida with me. I have stuff from Target, Marshalls, Amazon, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I tried to get all of the decor that I wanted so that I can bring it with me and have it when I'm already there, since me and my boyfriend will have the end of October and the beginning of November there to really incorporate fall into our apartment as well. So with all that being said, we're gonna go right into this video and start decorating because I'm so excited and I cannot wait to see a little bit of fall in my room. You guys know me, I always like to do a little bit of a before of my room, so this is what my room is looking like right now. I have all of my fall decor on my bed obviously, but there's really nothing about my room that screams fall right now, and we obviously really need to change that other than like the few decorations that I have out, but this is a little overview of what it looks like right now. I think to start off, the most important part of my room and the thing that really draws fall into my room, I feel like, is my bed, so I want to start off with that. I do have some old sheets from last year that I'm going to try to find, and then I also have blankets, pillows, and everything like that to try and make it a little bit more fall-y and cozy. If you know me, you know that fall really reminds me of being cozy and being comforted, and my bed is a really big factor in that. So I really want my fall sheets to be here, but they're taking so long, and I ordered them from Amazon. I'll put a picture of them on the screen. As soon as they come, I will be putting them on my bed, but I guess for now we'll just work with what we have and hopefully get a really nice cozy bed out of it. So for a little bed haul, I have this really pretty blanket. I believe this is from Target last year. I think it's so cute. I love the pumpkins on it. It's really giving that Pinterest vibe that I was going for. I also have this blanket right here. I think this might be from Amazon if I remember correctly. So pretty. Again, is really giving that Pinterest vibe that I'm going for. And another thing I really like about this blanket is it's also reversible. So there's this side and also this side as well. I also have my little pumpkin pillow. This pillow I believe is from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of them. So cute. I found it early last year and I'm so happy that I did. I also found this little viral ghost pillow as well last year. I think it's so stinking cute. Again, from I think TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I don't remember which one I found it at, but I did find it at one of them. And then for my sheets, I do have these really pretty ghost sheets from I believe Marshalls. They're little ghosts and they have pumpkins on them. I think they're really cute and they still match that fall vibe. So I'm gonna put all of this on my bed right now, and I think it's gonna make it look really cozy. We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, forever be, in this moment. For the most part, my bed is made. I do think I want to take this little fall jelly cat I got out. I think it's so stinking cute. It's the bear spider, and I think I want to put that in the middle of my bed to really make it feel like fall. This is what my bed is looking like so far. I think it looks really cute. I'm not sure what to do with this blanket right here. I don't know if it looks good laid out like that or if it should be flat. Someone please let me know. But I think overall my bed looks really cute and I'm very happy with it. Next things next, I have this little leaf garland. I don't even know where it's from. I want to say maybe Amazon or maybe Michael's, but I have this leaf garland that I really want to use because I think it'll look really pretty on my clothing rack back there. So I'm going to put some of these leaves on that. at how cute that looks. I feel like that adds a little bit of fall to the clothing rack area. Now we're gonna work on this area over here. I have a lot of decor that can go on top of my counter, so I wanna work over here and try to make it look really pretty. This is what I have so far in this section. I think it's looking really pretty, especially with the leaves on the Christmas lights. I think that looks really pretty and will look amazing at night. Now I'm gonna work on my little vanity area over here. I wanna take off everything that's on top of the vanity and add more fall stuff over there. And I also wanna switch out this cork board for a picture I got from Target. Next, I have this little garland. I think it's from, I want to say Michael's, but I might be wrong. My initial thought was to put it on my mirror, but I don't know if it's gonna stay, so I'm gonna give it a try and see, and if not, we're gonna put it on my closet. I can already tell this is not gonna stay, so we're gonna put it on my closet. That looks so cute. This section over here is complete. I think it looks pretty cute and very lit up, which is really what I was going for. I think it looks very pretty. Now I'm going to work on this little section over here, like my nightstand. Last section we're gonna work on is this armoire thing right here. I just want to add a few decorations to the top of it. Most part, I think my room is pretty decked out for fall. The only other things I want to do is I have this little picture frame that I got from TJ Maxx. I do want to put this picture in it of me and my boyfriend apple picking that I printed out. I think that'll look really cute next to my vanity. And then I also want to put a few of these little bats up around my TV or maybe on my closet. I'm not sure which one yet, but I think they would look really cute, so we're gonna do this now.
I don't know what I'm to do.
I just finished decorating my room for fall. Now we're gonna do a little bit of an overview of what it looks like.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see.
So starting up here, I have my Samsung TV. This is something that my parents got me for my room at their house, but I have a little fire playing on it, really just to throw in all of those comforting vibes and cozy vibes. Then on the wall underneath my TV, I just put a few of the removable sticker bats. I think they look so cute and add such a spooky vibe to the room, which I really like. Coming down here, I have my dresser. I honestly don't remember where this is from. I want to say it's from Pottery Barn, but don't quote me on this. My parents got it for me years ago. But on top of my dresser, starting over here, we have this Million Roses, which my boyfriend got me, I believe for Christmas or Valentine's Day. They're so pretty. They're forever roses and I love them. Then I have my little Seaside Escape Lavalette New Jersey candle. I love this. It smells so good. My boyfriend's mom got me this last year. I have my little mug. I forgot where I got that from. I want to say it's from Marshall's, and I use this as my little pens and pencil holder. And then I just have two scrunchies, which I believe are from TJ Maxx. Going along my dresser, I have Christmas lights, which I got from Target, and then this little leaf garland. I forget where it's from, but I want to say it's from either Marshall's or Amazon, and I think it looks so stinking cute. Then coming over here, we have my Jellycat acorn. I think it's so cute and really adds a little vibe to the room. I have my pumpkin. This is like a little pumpkin plushie. It is from the Target dollar section. I have more of the scrunchies that are from the set that I just showed, and then I have a little pumpkin candle, which is from TJ Maxx. Overall, I think this section looks so stinking cute. Now moving over here, I really like this part of my room. I put these LED lights up years ago and I think it adds such a pretty vibe to my room. I put them on orange right now, obviously for fall and to really get into that mood. On top of my little armoire, I love decorating this. Starting off with this little piggy bank. This is actually my mom's from when she was growing up. I love it. It's very vintage and I think it's so cute. Behind there, I have a little mirror that is from Amazon, and then I also have this little plant that droops over the edge, which is also from Amazon. Then coming back over here, I have this chestnut pumpkin candle. I got this last year. I believe it's from TJ Maxx. Then up here, I have my vision board for 2025, and directly under it, I have the Pumpkin Spice Cafe coloring book, which I like to display because I think it's so cute, and I got that from Target this year. And then in front of it, I also have this cute little pumpkin, which is also from Target. Moving over here, I have this little Swarovski flower that I think my mom or my grandma got me. I think it's really pretty and I love displaying it in my room. And then behind it, for now, I have my little cookie jar because I'm going to be taking it to my apartment, but I think it's so cute. It's a little bear pumpkin and I'm obsessed with it. And then behind there, I also have another plant to match the one on the other side. Coming over here, I have some more garland. This, I believe, is from, I want to say Michael's, maybe Amazon. I think it looks really cute on my closet though and adds a little bit of fall over there. And then coming over here, right next to my closet, this is my little nightstand, which I absolutely love. So on top of my nightstand, I have a mushroom lamp, which does turn on. Right now it's on the purple setting. I think it looks pretty cute though. And then on top, I have this little dish. This dish is from Hobby Lobby, and then I have these little fall Halloween clips on the dish. I think it's really cute and I love it. These clips are from TJ Maxx. Then I have this little jar. This is an acorn jar. I think it's so stinking cute. There's nothing in it right now, but when we move to our apartment, there will be. I have my alarm clock back there. I have my little picture frame that I put me and my boyfriend in. It's like terrible lighting, but hopefully you guys can see it's a little pumpkin with our picture when we went apple picking last year. And then this is a piece of stained glass that my grandpa made years ago for me. Moving over to my bed, so my sheets, which I showed you guys before, but just in case you didn't see them well, they're little ghost with pumpkins and I think it's so cute. They're from either TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods, but I think they're from Marshalls. My comforter and my pillows in the back are from Bedsure, and then everything on top I'm very excited about. So the pillow in the back right there, that's from Target. I got it for college years ago. Then we have a little display of my pillows over here. The pumpkin pillow and the ghost pillow are from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then this is from the Jellycat collection, which I think is so cute. And then for my blankets, the bottom blanket's from Amazon and the top blanket is from Target last year, and I think it's adorable. Then moving over here, we have my clothing rack. We have a lot of fall sweaters, a lot of pretty fall colors, and on top of the clothing rack, I just put some leaf garland and some fall Christmas lights as well because I thought that would add a cute little vibe to it, and I'm obsessed with it. And then moving over to my vanity over here, this vanity I believe is from, I want to say Amazon, but it might be from IKEA. I don't remember. This gold mirror I think is from Amazon, and I have a little display up here. So I have this little pumpkin, which is from Target. I have my vanilla body mist and then my hair mist back there, and then this little pumpkin is from Target. These lights, they're acorns. They're from Michael's, and I think they're so stinking cute around my vanity. And then coming over here, I have my little pumpkin, which is from Target last year, and this pumpkin's from Target as well, and that candy corn is also from Target last year. And I think the whole setup is really cute. And then I just drooped this little blanket over my chair, and this blanket is from Marshalls this year. I think it's adorable with the little pumpkins and the bows. And then lastly, I just have this little picture frame on my wall. It says Fall Sweet Fall. I had it in my apartment last year, and it is from Target. So as you can see, I just finished decorating my room for fall. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so pretty. The vibes are so cozy, so comforting, and everything I could imagine. I actually have one of my suitcases back here because I'm starting to prepare to pack and everything like that, and I'm trying to empty out everything before actually packing, if that makes sense, which is going to be in a whole other video. But I really just wanted to deck out my room for fall and enjoy the New Jersey weather while I'm still here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this part of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.